Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Dallas, Texas. Actually, it's called Mansfield, Texas. We're just cruising around this beautiful looking neighborhood. There's beautiful houses. I'm kind of big fan of watching houses. So I'm from California. California is known for like kind of rich neighborhood, beautiful houses. But to find this kind of beautiful house in California, you have to be in very rich neighborhood, more than like $2-3 million. But here in Texas, look at these houses. Like if you just Google it, or look for Zillow app or any those kind of housing app, you'll see like for $300,000-$400,000 for one house. So I'm super impressed here. We're just cruising like a lot of neighborhood here just to see houses, like those housing design. Look at this, like neat and clean housing designs. Big, it looks like mansion. We're just coming back from my friend's house this morning. He just bought look at this Porsche 718 on the driveway with the Model X. So yeah, we're just coming back from my friend's house. We were there this morning. He bought like 4-bedroom house. Actually, he had like a lot of extra amenities, so he paid around $550,000. But if you get that house in California, that would cost more than $2 million. So I'm kind of getting I'm gonna see myself living in Dallas, Texas in my future, because like if you can get this kind of beautiful house for like $400,000-$500,000, why not? I would definitely take this extra space with beautiful house, clean everywhere. You barely see homeless people here. I mean, they cannot survive here. Just the weather is not really pleasing here in Dallas area, but everything else is beautiful. I mean, if you just go outside in the afternoon, it's not recommended. Like it's scorching sun around and very humid air, so it just blows like hot air. But morning and evening is not really bad. I can survive, to be honest. Like 10 years ago, I didn't see myself living in Dallas, Texas at all. I really didn't like, but now like it just changed my mind. Like it's growing, it's booming here. Oh, like I cannot get tired looking these houses. It's just like so beautiful everywhere. Look at this mansion. It's big houses. Wow. Well, we're heading to our another next friend house today. Unfortunately, this is my wife's friend's house, so I cannot show their house from inside. It's gonna be my first time meeting them, so I feel like not comfortable asking them for a house tour. But next time, definitely when I go to my friend house, also inside as well. It's like very roomy, very big mansion from inside as well. It's super nice. Well, we are about to pull over in their driveway, so maybe I will show you this kind of video next time. So don't forget to subscribe for driving tour and this kind of neighborhood, and anywhere. Like it's not just like neighborhood driving tour, it could be anywhere. So make sure you're subscribing our channel, and we'll see you guys on another video. Thank you so much for watching.